Chicago with lots of snow and very cold conditions. Now, here's the winter weather advisories that are up across much of the southeast. The lighter pink area, that's where the winter storm warning is in effect. This includes much of South Carolina. This is upstate South Carolina, central South Carolina. From Atlanta to Macon is under this winter storm warning as well. Now, in our area, there's a winter storm watch for the blue shaded areas and the purple areas for Sylvania, also Hampton. You're under an ice storm warning. Now, what that means is we'll probably see less than a quarter inch of ice. This includes Screven and also Hampton County. If you live in places like Bullock County, also into Effingham County and Jasper County, maybe northern parts of those counties might see a little bit of icing, but I expect most spots will probably see just a cold rain, except Sylvania and Hampton. You'll see that best chance for some icing. Now, this will not come until tomorrow morning towards sunrise. Temperatures could be right around that freezing mark for the northern areas from, let's say, anywhere from much of Screven County, also into maybe even northern parts of Bullock County. This stretching all the way back toward Hampton. I'm going with light icing. The main threat out of this will be mainly on elevated surfaces, some trees, and also into some of the bridges and overpasses. Of course, we'll be tracking this very closely for you and keeping you updated if this changes any. But you can see once you go from, let's say, Statesboro to Springfield, all of the low country southward, this includes Chatham County, all the way down into Claxton, Vidalia, Baxley. This will be a cold rain for you with temperatures remaining above freezing. And I think the storm tracker model is kind of handling things very well. Starting out at 6 o'clock this morning, the bulk of the rain back off to the north and west. And watch this, much of the daytime today, look out, we stay fairly dry, at least all the way up through lunchtime. So not a whole lot of rain as for today, but as we go into the afternoon, a few showers developing. And you see in the evening, might see a break in the rain, lots of clouds out there. And then once we head towards sunrise tomorrow morning, that rain moves in. Do expect a good soaking. We'll probably see at least an inch of rain throughout the daytime hours on Wednesday. You see this pink shading here, northern Bullock, like I was talking about, extreme northern parts of Effingham County, also much of Screven and also Hampton County. You could see a little bit of that icing. This will be freezing rain, no sleet or snow, just that as that rain falls, and it may, when it makes contact, the temperatures are either at or below freezing, could see some icing in elevated surfaces, and it could even change over back to rain once we head in the afternoon with temperatures warming up above freezing. Everyone else in that green showing that rain and maybe even a brief period of a little bit of icing early on Thursday morning. You can see at 3 o'clock on Thursday, continue seeing some rain around, but the good news is after Thursday morning, we'll get the rain out of here. Into the afternoon, we'll see clearing skies, 52 degrees. Lots of sunshine for Valentine's Day. Great weather if you're headed out for Friday evening for dinner, 60 degrees. And then great weather for the weekend, mostly sunny. Afternoon highs will be into the low to mid 60s.